I'm Dr. Azure Holland, and I frequently get asked, why should I choose home euthanasia? I specialize in end-of-life care services, so to me, this seems really obvious why you should choose end-of-life care to happen at home. But I've also worked at hospitals and been in clinical settings, and I know from working at hospitals that when you come in to say goodbye to your baby in a hospital setting, that you're not always the top priority of what's going on. You can have surgeries going on in the back of the hospital, you can have people in the next room over with a puppy appointment, you know, laughing and hanging out, and the environment is just very sterile. So, you know, there's not a whole lot you can do to, you know, tweak that and make it better. When you're at home, you get to decide, you know, how you want the situation to be. I've helped families say, you know, goodbye outside underneath the pet's favorite tree, or, you know, on the sofa or in front of the fireplace. And so you get to choose what you want the situation to be like. You're allowed to be as intimate as you like to be in the home setting. And your pet, who's the most important person in the situation, is going to be more comfortable in the home situation and setting. And then I also think with being at home, it allows other pets, you know, to know what happens to their friend and to say goodbye. If you go into the hospital and say goodbye, you can't come home and tell, you know, your other babies where their best friend went. And I think one of the, you know, most touching reasons to say goodbye at home is that it does allow for, you know, friends and family members to come over and, you know, potentially be a part of it, or, you know, to add support to you if that's what you need. I helped an elderly woman a couple years ago, and she had all of her friends over, and they had mimosas, and, you know, we're just giving her support as she was saying goodbye to her Maltese, and it was just very touching. And so I've seen in these situations just how, you know, saying goodbye at home can make all the difference. I'm Dr. Azure Holland, and I specialize in end-of-life care for pets. Please feel free to give me a call if you have a question concerning your pet. My contact information can be found on the website, and I offer complimentary phone consultations. I look forward to talking to you soon.